All right, let's see if I'm back. Now I'm back. All right, sorry guys. Yes. I will follow. I was down for a while, guys. Sorry about that. I'm having internet issues. Okay, let's see. I'm back. All right. So it looks like the repair process has begun. I'm hearing that it's because of Kashkari. Am I still on Wi-Fi? I'm back. I'm back. My internet flaked on me again. Does this even work? Yeah, my bot's down, I think. Wow. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. Internet failing. Network. Yes, I got the tubes clogged again. And my initial theory as to what was causing the tubes to get clogged is I just eliminated it. So back to the drawing board. So I really think it has a lot to do with it's not just devices, it's the amount of data that's being pushed out from those devices, or information coming in or going out on those devices that causes the network to puke. And basically, and I'm trying to think what's the best way to handle that other than buying a better router, honestly. I did turn it on and off again. Yeah. I didn't want to futz it up. Pain in my ass, man. By the way, 1 hour to go. Interested in building a PF Sense, or do you just want a turnkey router? I wouldn't. And building a PF Sense? Are you talking about like building my own router? I mean, at this point, it's not even a router. It's just a switch. Well, what would you call it? A gateway. Well, no, a router. But I don't know if it's a piece of heart. Like I do get the sense sometimes that I think it might be a switch on the network that's causing it. Like a switch is just, like something's causing the switch to blink and it just, I don't know. I'm just... Because, I mean, that's when it started happening. I bought an 8-port Netgear switch and connected it to another switch via Cat5 cable that is then connected to another switch that is then connected to the router. So I'm wondering if it's just too much for that infrastructure. Like, do I just run, maybe I run maybe I just connect directly. Maybe I just run another very long network cable. Yeah, cascading 3 switches. Yep. I mean, 4 if you consider the router a switch as well, right? And I've never... And they're all gigabit. They're all gigabit switches. And like I said, like it was all working fine until I introduced that new switch. That 8-port switch into the equation. And they're unmanaged. Like it's almost like it's a spanning tree issue, you know? Yeah, cascading 1 switch is fine. That worked for years. That's worked for years. Cascading 2 has worked for years. But I could cascade the I could cascade, like I could run another cable directly to the to the 8-port router directly from the router. I avoid cascading 2 as possible. I mean, I technically could make it instead of cascading 3, cascading 2. I might, give me 1 second. I might just do that. Okay, I just did that. I avoid 2, but it's possible. Like, so I could do that, and then technically I could run another long ass cable. So we'll see. Like for a second, I thought it was a particular computer on the internet. A particular computer on the network that was causing the issue. But that has been unplugged. I've been doing this basically trial by error. And never thought about the span, like the span tree stuff never crossed my mind. But when you mentioned the cascade, that's what got me thinking about it. You see, the thing is when the issue, when it breaks, well, I shouldn't say that, right? So I don't know. Like, all the PCs up to this point have been daisy chained at least one switch. Every computer has been but the connections that were just running directly from one switch, like, I've got the router and then I've got a switch. Like, the computer's just connected to that switch, they also blink. When the network craps, they crap too. Did I bounce all the cascaded switches too? No. I mean, usually I don't have to do it. Usually I reset the router and it's fine. The only thing I do is when I bring the router, when I restart the router, I plug in the switch I think has the problems. So, what a pain in the butt, man. Anyway, let me get my Be Right Back is off because might want to bounce those switches to see if the phenom goes away. I have a D-Link switch that needs to get bounced every few months for some reason. I mean, I could blink them right now. Like right now, my switch or my stream is on the Wi-Fi network. That's the other thing is when the network blinks, like the Wi-Fi is unaffected. It's just those PCs that are hardwired. And to add another wrinkle to it, those PCs are hard, like they have static IPs. Because I didn't want to get into dynamic DNS. Unmanaged requires pulling the power. Yeah. Just a mystery. I mean, I do like I do like trying to figure it out. But it's a pain in the ass. I'm trying to fix DHCP is the only way for me. Yeah, you see, I've got a couple of these servers. I have a couple of the machines that I have resources that I want to grab from on one PC to the other. I've had over 400 devices on 2 subnets using DSP with no issues. Would have been impossible for me to manage static. Yeah, I mean, I've only got, I just like being able to hardwire them because then I can remote into them. Part of what I got going on here is I can remote into PCs from my main PC. And then that way I know. Like I could do like some dynamic DNS stuff, I suppose. Right, and then I wouldn't have to worry about, like, if this doesn't work, then, I mean, that's an option. So, it's such a pain in my ass, though. All right, let me try this. Both. I need to. It's still not going away. try this. I'm actually adding some code here. Windows Server does great DHC, but on a domain. Oh, you know what it might be? Fuck. I'm fucking stupid. Yeah, that's the reason why. All right, I know why. So I gotta fix that too, huh? I'm pretty sure I'm running on Wi-Fi right now, which is 169. Localhost. What a pain in my ass. $169. Well, I thank you for your help. Hopefully that helps. All right, I'll be right back. Since it says be right back. I've got the hardware. Hold on, let me fix this. I feel like I've got the hardware to do that. Just run two 50-foot cables over. Hook them directly into the Wi-Fi. Market's recovering nicely here after Kashkari kind of pushed them down. Very technical fill. Rut filled the gap entirely. NASDAQ came nowhere close to filling the gap. Screw you, Kashkari. You can't hold us down. Got $180 profit. Should roll that down. Good afternoon, Hope. Thanks for stopping by. How'd you find us? Just dealing with some technical issues while we get the mark. Well, I fixed some displays here. Internet just took a dump. Trying to figure out why it keeps happening. That's all right, though. We will. A DevOps Institute. $270. Wow. Wow. I was looking for a trading stream not including crypto. Glad I found someone that actually doing stocks and bonds. Mostly just stocks. Not a lot of bonds, although I do trade bond ETFs and watch them. And I watch bonds and I watch bond ETFs. All right, Jake, could you focus? I need to focus on... I need to focus on fixing my Be Right Back. You know what? I can just do it the old-fashioned way, right? I can just turn it off this way. Where is Be Right Back? Look at that. Here I am trying to solve the problem the really hard way. You failed, Jay. All I had to do was keep it very simple. All right, let me see if my ULTA sold. I feel like it did. When artifacts. It's fundamental. It's philosophical, right? Toil reduction. Reduce non-value add work using tooling and automation. Escalate metrics such as availability, latency, response time with error budgets, measurements, observability, monitoring, telemetry, and instrumentation. What a bunch of gobbledygook. What a bunch of pointy heads make this stuff. Oh, let's fucking hate technology. And here I am in IT, and I hate it. I hate it. Beautiful. 533.74 I sold it for. All right, I'm going to get ULTA down. I sold some ULTA. Let me mark that down on my list, my watch list. If anybody wants to play along, I'll post the link as soon as I get it updated here. Well, now on CNBC, Wall Street bonuses fall. Impact tone effing death. That's why I don't watch it, man. It's just frustrating. It literally is frustrating. Like, price action, that's all you need. I don't think you're going to get a leg up. I think you're just going to get too much information makes you indecisive. I mean, don't get me wrong. If markets are really moving, like, it might be good to tune in. But I mean, if they're just doing their, 3 steps forward, 2 steps back, random walk, right? Like, I don't think you're going to get any good information out of them short term. Like, it may affect short term price action, but like, if you're trading the right size, short term price action isn't going to matter, I think. All right, so ULTA's in. Glad I saved my list. For fuck's sake. Am I getting Jackson or are you? The saying goes, hurry buyer, there's a seller. Someone on there is always on each side of the trade. Yeah, ultimately their only goal was to get you to watch, give you the right kind of information that hooks you to watch them. Like, they are effective. They are effective at what they do. Look, stock trading is very boring. Stock trading is very boring. I guess, like, the way I make it more exciting is just to have a lot of positions. For other people, it could just be, super tied to, that I call it shiny object syndrome, but I mean, it really is just whatever's moving, right? And some days a lot of things are moving and other days things aren't moving at all. And so I would rather just have a bunch of stuff, and on the really big days, I know I'm going to be busy. That's fine. And on the quiet days, I'm still going to have enough to do. Maybe I'm getting caught up on busy. Money's in the boring. I know, and I'm fine with it. I'm at peace. Like, I know how to keep myself busy. And I like peace of mind. I really do. Oh. Time. Everything is good. I am I'm suffering from the after lunch you know, the after lunch, like, I ate too much food. So I'm kind of like a little tired. What do they call it? The energy lows, because I'm digesting my amazing lunch. And that's what I figured. IYR, is that the first one? IYR. Maybe I just need like something with caffeine in it. I'll just make a coffee. I haven't had a coffee in a while. I'll probably bounce off the walls. All right. Let me see if Be Right Back works. No, the socket server. No, you still got to be listening on 169. All right, I'm connected. All right, let's try this. Let's see if this works. I made some tweaks. Just trying to harden this thing a little bit. All right. It worked. Very nice. Okay. We just wait for the alert. We just wait for the next alert. We are peeking back. We did peek into initial balance here. Now moving back out. Or trying to move back out. Let's see if the bulls can hold here. If we roll out of initial balance, I would say I would caution to the downside. I would say the move is to the downside, but they have pushed back in, and there is some buying here at the bottom. You can see the wicks on the candles. All right, I'll be right back. Make some coffee. I'm back. Hey, Shoestring Army. Thanks for stopping by. Markets, after trying to push out of initial balance, seem to be okay with heading higher again. All right. All right, all right. Embezzled 62 cents for me and my company. Wow. BRB off did not work. Great. Why not? Why not? Oh, it is off. All right. Shit. Where's my coffee? Got a black magic woman. Got a black magic woman. I'm still listening. Hey, Shoestring Army. In and out, in and out. Starbucks. You asked about Starbucks. It's dog shit, man. Fuck, that doesn't work either? Oh, I know why. I know why. do it here too, don't I? Oh, yes you do. What the? Let's try this again. I'm back, been busy. Oh man, I'm busy as fuck today. Remotely cleaning, speeding up computers, very nice. It's not a bad business to be in. Now what happens? What happens if it doesn't work? Like, what's your disclaimer, mini disc? Like, what if it's just a dog shit piece, dog shit slow PC? Gotcha. Left. Can I do that? Maybe I can't do that. Let's go this way. And then let's go this way. And it still doesn't work. Fuck's sake. Alrighty. How about now? Yay! 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 I think I'm good. I think this should fix it. There we go. We're back, baby. We're back. Somewhat. God, that's a pain in the butt. All right. All right, I'm going to go over some of these other stocks that I got alerts for this morning. Start with Goldman Sachs. Got an alert for Goldman Sachs being above 323.65, which was 5% above where I last bought it. That was the that was 3% or 5% above where I bought it. 307.65. That is accurate. That is the third piece I've bought on the move lower. On this move down in Goldman Sachs. So let's do some math, shall we? Cost basis on those three pieces is what did I do wrong here? Oh, it's 4 pieces. Nice. 329.70, which I'm pretty sure is going to be much less than, well, hold on a sec. Equals 329.71. 1.055. Shit. 347.84 or 347.85, but 20% above 307.65 is 370. So I like 347 a lot better. We will mark that up. $347.86 is what it comes out to. Or 346.86. I'm sorry. Very nice. I had 2 minutes to get to my airplane yesterday. Jay, they had grown stop in Atlanta. Well, I'm glad to hear that everything worked out. That be, oh yeah, it's here. It's over on this side. All right, there we go. Goldman Sachs, Waste Management, Zion. Pillars of SRE. keep running for a couple more weeks, it's basically going to be a grind of TQQ 30 to 35. I did sell some TQQQ. I'll buy it back 5% where I sold some today. That piece that I sold was actually 5% above where I last sold it. And I had bought a piece because it pulled back the last time I sold it. Bought one piece, but the rule is I don't sell that last piece, that piece I bought, until it's 5% above the previous sell. If I would have bought 2 or more pieces, then my cost basis would have been a little different. But you're not getting any follow through in the rut. In fact, rut's showing relative weakness. It's making me feel less and less. It's making me feel less secure about this move higher. You can't have.
Shut up, Jay.
You can't just have 100 stocks in the market doing great. You need broad participation. No one should be surprised when this thing rolls over. If it rolls over. All right, let's go to now watch IJR and IJH. What are they? Let's see. I don't even want to guess. There's a couple eyes that I watch too. There's a growth one and there's a value one. What are those? I watch IWD and IWF. Major BlackRock iShares ETFs that are overloaded with assets. Okay. Those that IWD and IWF, those are the Russell 1000, which are the larger 1,000 stocks, the largest 1,000 stocks. The Russell 3000 is actually all the stocks, right? I think in the Russell 3000 you've got the big names. And the Russell 2000 is the bottom 3,000 stocks. Or the Russell 2000 is the bottom 2,000 stocks of the Russell 3000. All right, markets getting a push higher. Nice to see if you're a bull. All right. All kinds of weird pump up crap in those too. ASO, SPSC, blah blah, FT fix, RMBS. I think all of those are in those ETFs I mentioned. I could go on and on. But they're also pumped. Well, suppose that's okay. I suppose that's okay. All right, what are we looking at next? AIZ. I got an alert that it was 5% higher than when I bought it. At 112.85. The alert was for 118.95. We've skipped below it. Or we've come back down, but the rule is I get the alert, I set the price. I set the price. I look at when was the last time I bought it. I've actually bought, holy crap. I've done nothing but buy this thing. Yikes. Is this accurate? Yeah. That's all I've done is buy this thing. 135. 135 is when I can sell the first piece. I think. Because the cost basis of all of it, every piece that I bought is, yeah, 56908 is 140. So 135.99. That's where I can sell the purse P. Oh, 139. Is this it right here? No. Oh, we can get rid of both. We can keep both of those. Very nice. $112.85. 2023 0313 plus 1. Robinhood. Official price is $135.88. $135.88 is where I can sell my first piece of AIZ. Assurant. Tis the season, shoestring army. Tis the season. All right, markets continue to move higher. Would be nice, that's for sure. All right, moving on. Got an alert for Ford. Got an alert that it was 5% above where I last bought it. That's stock symbol Foxtrot. According to my notes, I've bought 3 times on this latest move down. And we are now 5% above where I last bought it on the 15th for $11. Oh, there we go. That alert was at 12.12. We're now trading at 12.26. 3. Really? Get to sell it. The cost basis on those 3 pieces I bought. What the hell? Does it look like my camera's wigging out? Let's see something here. Is that flashing? Is that flashing on the stream? I feel like it's kind of wigging out. What's it doing on the actual stream? Yeah, it's doing the same thing on the stream too. I see it. All right. Let's see. Which one is it? Yeah, it's very Max Headroom like. And it hasn't come back yet. About now. Oh, there it is. I'm still frozen. It's just been up and down, a complete shit show today. There we go. What a mess. Well, good. I'll be buying all the way down. That'd be great. All right. Like I was saying. Let's see here. All right. $12.31. Let's do some math. $12.99 is where I get to sell some. I got an alert to sell some, not sell some AA, but I got an alert that AA Alcoa, stock symbol Alpha Alpha, the maker of aluminum products, or the maker of like aluminum. I don't think they make the actual products. Got an alert that they were 5% above where I last bought them at $41 or $39.38 on the 24th. I have bought Alcoa 3 times. I'm going to double check that. My notes say I bought Alcoa 3 times on the move down since I last sold it on the 3rd of March. I got a little pop there and got to sell a piece. I and then I bought some on the 22nd for $41.90. And then I bought more on the 24th, like I said, for $39.38. Three pieces, cost basis on those three pieces is I can't wait till this is all fucking web page driven. I'm so close. Every time I get close, something blows up. Tonight maybe. $43.64 is my cost basis. $47.46 is 20% above where I last bought it. $46.05 is where it looks like I get to sell some. So I'll mark that up. $46.05 is actually where I get to sell it. $46.05. Is that what I said? Yeah, $46.05. Guess what? I'm getting rid of that one. I don't care. And I think I'm caught up on the day. I think I'm done. I think I'm caught up for the day as far as alerts. I've got to manually rebuild the data that I export because I boobarred my information systems here. That's all right. I can fix that. $17.40. I got an alert for KMI. I thought I was done. 1827 is where I can sell the first piece. Which is 1 penny above my next to last buy. Is that when I bought it? 221? Yep. There we go. Just had a weird upside flash on some call. All right. ready for bed. This coffee is not helping. I feel like all I've done today is just review when I'm selling stocks. 86.77 on this one. I'm just catching up with old alerts. Then I'm going to look at Jay, you need to get on Adderall like real-time content creators. I've looked at it. I wish I could find a doctor that would just prescribe it to me over the phone. I would love it. Yes. That's awesome. You know, I didn't know that there's only 5 minutes left in the trading day. What a mess. What a crazy ass day. It's just, this day's just been jacked up all around. But we've survived. I roll my $200 into 60, 70. No, you gotta get in. You gotta get in. No bueno, man. Well, 31. All right. I got to go to the bathroom and we're coming to the close. 10 seconds. I've got no earnings I'm watching today. After hour reports or earnings reports on Monday. That's it. We have finished. We have survived another day.
Wow, it's very nice.
It is a very nice. We're done. Only one trading day left in the quarter. I think starting today, traders who piled out of their positions at the end of Q4, or I'm sorry, Q1, right? What do they call it? Window dressing? I think today was the first day they could window dress, or maybe tomorrow's the first day they can window dress. Or no, today was the last day they could window dress, which could be a reason why the NASDAQ 100 is up, right? Those are all the darlings. And now that Q1 is over, or will be over, technically it's over. Like, it takes 2 days to settle, right? Stocks settle after 2 days. Like, so if I make a trade, like, technically I don't own it for 2 days. So any of your hedge funds and ETFs, like when they report what their fund owns at the end of the quarter, I feel like today the last day that they had to get it done. And so tomorrow they can resume putting lipstick on a pig. Hello. Hello there. Thanks for stopping by. NKLA 100 million offering. Is that Nicola? Is that, I would imagine that's bad. That's dilution. Hey, Moose Money Moose is coming over. What's going on, Moose? Yeah, it's the scam EV company. Aren't most of them a scam? Hey, how'd you do today, buddy? Did you make it? Did you make the money? That's where you came from? Very nice. 15%. Very nice today. That's sweet, dude. You buy the did you buy the gap fill? That was a nice move. If you kind of layered in near the gap fill low. Puts right at the open. Okay. Very nice. Not a bad move. Sold around 12:30. Damn, dude. Very nice. You held through all this too, huh? You held through this pullback or this pop back up after the sell-off there that started at what, 9:30? 10 o'clock? Very nice. Very nice to hear. He's sticking to rules? What? That never works. Have fun staying poor. No, that's good. I mean, that's what you got to do. Don't degen. Wow, that's crazy. That's freaking awesome, dude. Let me mark down. Let me do the preliminary mark of SPY. What did we close up? 40372. Very nice. God damn it. Big morning tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get some more volatility. Yeah. And window dressing is officially over. Right? Everybody that was trying to make their ETFs and funds and whatever pretty now get to reload back into those names they didn't want people to know they were in. So maybe we get some distribution on the NASDAQ 100 and a little bit of accumulation in the names that I feel like are down pretty big. Price deflator. GDP price deflator, aka PCE. The Fed's preferred gauge to measure inflation. That'll be fun. You also have tonight, you have China. China has their PMIs tonight. So we'll get to see how well Thank you. I've got an evaluation version of Voice Meter Potato as my digital audio mixer, and I haven't ponied up the $6 they want to register it. I should probably do that. I feel like I can find some change in my car or something. Get her done. $6 is like hundreds of shares of a penny stock if you pick the right one. All right. So what do you I generally fall into that category now too. 5. I mean, I used to consider it under $1, but someone said anything under 5. So I do own a few stocks that are under $5, but when I started layering into them, or when I started scaling into them, they weren't $5. So holy shit. I'm freaking tired. I have way too many lines on this chart. I assume I am a full-time trader. Right now, I'm a full-time trader. But when I get my new job, when I find a new job, whether I'm here all the time will depend on the workload and how well I can manage multitasking. But I feel like when I had a job before, I could manage it. I just worked for a shitty company and a shitty boss. Yeah, I'm not chasing down, the shiny object of the day. It's just not my style. I'm not saying, you can't make money doing it. I like my mental health too much. There are lots of different ways to trade. I believe I agree. How long have you been doing it? I suppose if you can tear yourself away from it for periods of time, yeah, it's tough. And like I said, even if you do well, it's quite an emotional toll it takes on you. So, I mean, I used to do it. I used to like doing it. Yeah, this year's been a mess of a chop. I did well last year as well. My kid's calling me. He knows. Hey. What's up, buddy? Oh yeah. Why are you watching give me one sec, guys. Why are you watching TV? All right. Okay, I'm back. All right, I'm back. I had to talk to my kid. Did the Be Right Back stuff work? How many times, Jay? It didn't work. Why isn't it working for mini disc? Oh, it's not working for me either. All right, let's see here. Did I forget to do it for... I have no idea why it's not working. It was working before. All right. It could just be that I didn't do the command. Let's see here. No, command's right. I mean, request URL works, so I don't know, man. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Like, I wanted to get fixed. Like, it was working before. I think maybe it's out of sync. Whatever. I'll figure it out. I gotta go to the bathroom now. If anybody stops by. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. BRB off. Does this work? Why didn't that work? All right, let's do some BRB on. Did it switch over? It's like it's not getting the I'm curious of something. Hold on here a second, boys and girls. Yeah. What a fucking bunch of shit that is. Did my stream end temporarily and then come back? I know why it's not working, guys. What a bunch of shit that is. All right, well then I know why. I know what happened. Now it'll work again. What a pain in the ass. It switched back from Wi-Fi over to it switched from Wi-Fi back over to hardwired. Hello, J. Arlington Raiders. For those of you who aren't aware, J. Arlington is a great business news streamer and stock streamer. Good content. Not as dry as this content. It's better. The world wants to know, J. Jared, when are you coming back? Coming back from where? Oh, you're talking about my message? Here. Damn it. Well, just fuck it. All kinds of problems. All kinds of issues with the stream today. So the network borked again. I have another idea I'm going to try so that it doesn't bork. We're going to try that. Markets continue to kind of like float up here. Reserve balances at U.S. banks. Very interesting. Reserve balances with the Federal Reserve banks. I guess we'll get an update tomorrow, or we should have gotten an update today. Where's the data? This data is released at each Thursday, generally at 4:30 p.m. All right, so we get it at 4:30. It just came out. Not much of a change. Not much of a change after 2 weeks of changes. Like 2 big weeks of changes. Shoestring. Why don't you DM him, dude? Or hit him up on his Discord. All right, let's do some P&L. Today is Thursday, March the 30th, 2023. The 61st trading day of the year. The 61st trading day of the quarter. The 22nd trading day of the month and the 4th trading day of the week. And our beloved precious SPY closed the day at 403.70. Up 0.5855%. JayJared up 0.2006%. That is a preliminary number. I feel like it's every day now. For the week now, SPY is up 2.01%. JayJared is up 2.23%. Barely beaten SPY. Up by 0.22%. SPY's making a roaring comeback though. For the month now, SPY is up 1.88%. JayJared is down 1.57%. SPY is beating me by 3.44% this month. And for the quarter/year, SPY is now up 5.56%. JayJared is up 0.44%. SPY is beating me by 5.12%. It's all good.
Good job.
It's all good. I'm not worried. It has been a shitty quarter, though. Wow. 1, 2, 3. 14 times. 14 times SPY's beaten me this month. That's a new record. That is a new record for number of times SPY's beat me in a day or a month. $35. That's also the most number of times SPY has beaten me in a quarter. Adrian, hello. Welcome in. Appreciate you stopping by. How'd you find us? What do I trade? Anything with a number in it. That is a good company. On recommended channels, really? I love hearing that, baby. Thank you. Well, I appreciate you stopping by. I guess everybody else is offline. Trade stocks. Everybody else rated me. I'm the only one on stocks and bonds that's still kicking, that with a pulse. CVS Frogs here, checking in. US Tech 100. I don't know what the Tech 100 is. Is that like the NASDAQ 100? I'm assuming that you, Adrian, that maybe you're not trading in the US. I wasn't watching any ERs. I mean, I don't have anything until, I got some stuff next week that I'm looking at. Yeah. It's a quiet day. I'm glad it was a quiet day, man. Everything that went wrong today for me, as far as like the stream, like the technology stuff, is like everything. It's like what could go wrong did go wrong. What a pain in my ass. Living in Norway, but like London session. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. When I hear people call it like the US 500 and the US 100 or the Tech 100, I'm like, that's a giveaway. That's the giveaway. Well, welcome in. It's late for you then. What time is it? Like 9 o'clock, almost 10 o'clock p.m.? You gonna stay up and catch the Asian session? Ooh, 22:45. Damn. Night owl. AEHR is a beat again. A nice move higher since their last earnings report. What time is it here? It is now 4:46 Eastern Time. I'm on the East Coast of the United States. Smack dab in the middle in Maryland, or as us locals like to call it, Maryland. North of DC. By about an hour and a half. Yeah, about an hour and a half north of DC. I do have Rumble. I can't live stream on Rumble yet. I'm trying to get there. I think it says I need 25 subscribers to live stream on Rumble. I haven't checked there in a while though. Rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. What's my account? Let's see. Channels. Where are my channels? My channels. I got 7 subscribers on JayJaredLive. I probably need to promote it more. Rumble has earnings today. Speaking of. I noticed it on their website. It says breaking Rumble earnings webcast today, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. I don't own Rumble stock. I guess the face slapping competitions are paying dividends for Rumble. Is it New York session? Yes. Yes, I am the same time zone as New York. Right in the middle of the East Coast, right at the Mason-Dixon line. For those history buffs out there. Good cops, bad cops, we got them all here. You were at the aquarium? That's a great place. I feel like I've been to the aquarium so many times. I'm just like, oh great, the aquarium. Can we stop at a bar first? Yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome the first couple of times you go. But I would say it starts the law of diminishing marginal utility kicks in after like visit 5 or 6. Yeah. Like it's a nice area. That part of Baltimore isn't too bad. They've done a good job of keeping the riffraff mostly away. But it comes up every once in a while. Yeah. MLK is like right down the. You talking about the? Also went right on MLK. Yeah, it's a nice area. It's nice. It's nice, depending on, you know. What is this? Oh, QT Cinderella. How do I trade, if I can ask? I just log into my brokerage and I put in the stock that I want to buy or sell, and then like there's this interface where I can like put in a price. And then I hit the buy button. Actually, I choose buy or sell, and then I hit the send. There's a send button. And then I press it. And then if depending on the price, if it hits the price. What's my strategy? I mean, it's pretty basic. It's buy low, sell high. I generally scale in to positions. And then I scale high. And then I scale out when they go higher. Like, so if I want to buy, like say for example, I wanted to buy like SPY. Like I'd take an initial position of like 2 or 3, a 2 or 3 size. If it were to go up 5%, I'd sell the first piece. If it were to go down 5%, 5% is generally my percentage. If it goes down 5%, I'll buy more. You have no money to play with what stock? Yeah, it's probably not the place for you. But I mean, it doesn't take a lot of money to trade. Like even if you got $5 you can put in a Robinhood account a week. It adds up, man. What? I got 5 ads in a row? Yes. What? Let me know when you come back. Here, I'll type that out. Let me know when you come back. Oh, you can hear me now? Okay. What part did you miss? Can't hear you now. All right. Let me know when you come back. And let me know. Hey, One Flux 2. I am fantastic. How about you, sir? 4 or 5. All right. We'll just pick it up where we left off. Just let me know. Just let me know. Just let me know when. Just let me know what was the last thing you heard. Just let me know what was the last thing you heard. You're fine? That's great. Fine is good. Fine is good. It's better than okay or not okay or bad. I'm bad. You heard nothing? So the last question you asked was, what's my strategy? Yeah, thank you, Houston. Like, shoestring. Like, no one cares. No one cares if you're chasing tornadoes or fucking visiting people. I mean, if it's part of the conversation, great. Right? Or if you're just like checking in, but like, if you just want to shoot the bull, DM somebody. Like, this isn't a just chatting stream. And if it is, it's just chatting about what I want to chat about. The Narcan industry has a big budget, advertising budget. All right. So, yeah, buy low, sell high. I mean, honestly, I know that sounds like a brush off, but I mean, that really is the strategy. Like, I pick good companies, good cash flow positive companies that pay a dividend, free cash flow. I buy them when they move lower and I sell them when they move higher. It's on all my ads and it's long. I mean, yeah, maybe Narcan. Like, what kind of an ad is it? Like, have you been doing searching for Narcan like stuff? How long have I traded? More than 20 years. Like, trading on my own since 2000. Since 99. Do you look for them to be over? No, not really. I don't really try to time it. I've just learned over the days that over this period of time that there's just no way to time it. Like, if it's going lower, you think it's going to go lower. And if it's going higher, you think you're going to go higher. I just want to take that guesswork out of it. They got over-the-counter Narcan approval. Which broker do I use? I use Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, but I also have smaller accounts with First Trade, Robinhood, Stash, and Webull, and Coinbase. I wish you will be able to time the market perfectly. It's impossible, man. You can't do it. You can't do it. I wish I could too, but then it would kind of take the fun out of it. Like, if I just knew perfectly when the market was going to bottom and when it was going to top, like, I think just it would get old. Like, I'd make a shit ton of money, but then I would just be like, I don't know. I wouldn't like it. I always worry about that. I always wonder if I make it to where I want to make it, like if it's just going to kill it. Like, I like building things. I don't like the destination. I like the journey. Get that generational, yeah, then relax. But then, like, you start dying. You just get busy dying. You got to be contributing to a society. or you're just not going to get what your body and soul need. Like, look at how many people have generational wealth, relax, and turn into complete and utter fuck-ups. If it goes lower, I buy more. If the question's for me. Is generally my attitude. And then you do charity and support. Yeah, I could see that. I could see doing charity work, but I don't want to just be a figurehead. And like, my attitude towards charity is that you got to be careful with charity and handouts. Like, don't get me wrong. Some people, it's good for them, but I don't like it when safety nets turn into hammocks. Nobody knows where the market's going. That is a great statement. Nobody knows. I have it in a Post-it note right in front of me. I wish you could see it. It says nobody knows right there. It's probably going to crash eventually. But then it'll come back. And everybody that bought the dip will be talking about how much money they made on the way back up. Which is what I did in 2008, in 2009, 2001, 2020. Like, it crashes all the time. Great time to buy. As long as you manage your money, as long as you manage your cash, you're gonna get to make a lot of money. 30 chance to hit all-time highs, 30% chance to go up. Yeah, there you go, 50. I think it's a pretty good breakdown. I don't even know what a crash is these days. Like, you talk to some people, like, I like to always tell this story. Back in like late 2021, when markets started to top, like, SPY would be down like 0.5%. And people would be coming in here saying, is this the top? Are we crashing? I'm like, dude, no. Like, that's not a crash. See you. Enjoy your rest. Sleep is good. Meditation. Sleep is the best meditation. Stop by anytime. We're here every market trading day, at least for the time being. I don't know what's going to change if I get a new job. Like, what's going to change? Am I going to have to cut it back? Maybe. Do I go more to a 24/7 format where, like, I'm not, or like I like what Moose Money Moves does. Like, he's just kind of like, he's got his screens up and you can see him working with his screens. Like, on 24/7, I do have, is the audio pumping? Do I trade full time right now? I do. But, I'm looking for a full-time job. Do you know anybody that, needs a computer person? Why not trade? Because my trading method doesn't allow me to pay all my bills with the money I make. At least not yet. Not yet. Yeah, I mean, in like another 10 years, maybe. Like, I plan on doing this when I retire. I love this. I love it. Thanks. People in Twitch chat believing in me is just the extra bit of push I need to make it happen. Like, I like building the stream setup though. I like butzing around with the stream and like and then like the chat bots. Like, I like all of it, man. I like the content creation. Right? I like having the 24/7 stream going. It's just, all of it's fun. It's just fun right now. So, it's good times. Good night, Adrian DDBB. You have a great sleep. We'll be here the next time you decide to stop by, if it's when I'm streaming. If I'm not streaming, I won't be here. Well, I'll be here, I just won't be streaming. So stop on by if I'm streaming. And yeah, I mean, you can even stop on by when I'm not streaming. You can catch me one of my previous episodes. Another episode of JayJaredLive. It's good times. Is JayJared 24/7 typing my voice? Oh, it is. It is. I can hear it. I should have a way for viewers to just mute me over there. Like, they can mute me for like 100 JJTs or 1,000. I don't know. For like 15 minutes. If they just want to listen to the smooth jazz, right? That's all they want to hear. 24/7, baby. I just need to make it more feature rich. All right, let's do points of control. Because I want to get them done, and then I want to wrap it up. Clean up the mess I've made. I have made a huge mess. Point of control. That we'll be watching tomorrow. Oh, I've made it. It's just between the network issues and me trying to fix them, and the server being down. Like, I got some things I need to do. And it wasn't stuff I was planning on doing. I thought I was going to be able to work on some stuff I want to work on, but it's all good. Point of control, we'll be watching tomorrow on S&P 4081.50. This is now I want to say there are 2 points of control below us that haven't been touched. Not only that, is this right? Yeah, we gapped above this point of control. So there are 3 points of control below us now that are naked. We gapped down. We had a point of control here. We gapped down on Tuesday, gapped back above it on Wednesday. So we got 3 points of control below us. And technically, this is probably naked too. So we've got 4 points of control in the last week that are below us. That's pretty ugly. That is really poor structure. It does not sound bullish to me at all. But we'll eventually come back down and touch these areas. I don't know when we will. The longer it takes to get back down here, the more pronounced the move obviously has to be to touch these. The rut did touch their point of control today. That was nice. Rut's giving it all back like they did last week. $1,778.7 is the point of control we'll be watching. Tomorrow on the rut, the Russell 2000. Let me go back to the ESs and take a look here real quick. Point of control pretty consistent across all value areas. How about the rut? Same. Pretty much the same. Last but not least, the NASDAQ. We've done the same thing where we gapped lower on Tuesday, gapped above it again on Wednesday, gapped below it on Tuesday, gapped above Monday on Wednesday. So we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We got 3 points of control below us. That's hilarious. All right. Good structure. Perfect structure. 13080. Oh no, 13080. We'll just round up, right? 13080.75. That's our point of control we'll be watching on the NASDAQ 100 futures. 13080.75. Yep, 12. If it was 0.88, I'd round up to 13081. That's your points of control. I will have them updated tonight. Oh, man. I keep watching this video of this guy jumping out of this cop car. What an idiot. I want to see what happens to the car. All right. Sheesh. And then they just drag his body. Like, I'm sure that didn't help. What a dumbass. I hope he didn't have any kids. We definitely need to filter those genes out of the collective gene pool. Sheesh. I wouldn't be surprised if that guy did want to die. Dancing in the dark. Maybe drugs may have Algo bro hit me up. Let's see. Look at that. You gotta watch it in slow mode. Air lost all its ER gains. Uh-oh. They're selling into the rally, huh? Oh, yeah. That could just be some profit taken. I mean, the stock is up. I mean, the stock is up almost 100% since its last earnings statement. So, frick. Yeah. All right. Who am I going to shut it down and raid? Take care, mini disc. I'm about ready to cut it loose. I'm about to cut it off too. Tired. Just want to go to bed. Might take a nap and then get up and do it again tomorrow. Let's see here. Let's see who I love that's still on. I'll keep 24/7 going. I'll be checking in and out there. Let's see. Let's see. I rated Vanessa Lopez yesterday. I do want to check what she's wearing, though. All right. Very cute outfit today. Very cute outfit. Wow. I like it. I would say that's one of the better outfits she's worn here recently. I have not been very happy with the wardrobe selection as of late. Not that like what I think matters. But all right. This is good. Daddy like. It's a nice day for white wedding. I feel like if Molly had longer hair that was curlier, that's what she would look like. Maybe a little less European, though. I'm watching Hassan. Let's raid Hassan. Very good content. If you can get past his politics. She has some weird leg jewelry thing on yesterday. Never seen. Oh, it's like, yeah, it's like almost like a holster or like a garter. I love watching Hassan, even though he makes me want to pull out my hair sometimes. But you know what? Maybe I channel my inner, let's help a new streamer. Let's see who's streaming on stocks and bonds that's low view count. Let's give him some love. Besides JayJaredLive. Here's a guy. Who is this? R&R Capital. Dude, we're raiding this guy. R&R Capital. I like the music too. All right, guys. Time to go. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me today. I appreciate you. I will be on tomorrow. One Flux 2. Do I still have the clip outstanding? How are you? I do, sir. Hold on a second here. Where is it? Did you hear it? Guys, reach out to the ones you appreciate, the ones you love. Tell them. Somebody tell them. Tell them. Just be like, hey, I appreciate you, and I appreciate you being in my life. Life's good. Thank you. That'll make them feel great. Especially if you, like, are sincere about it. Don't be a dick. Don't, like, call up somebody that you hate and be like, I appreciate you. You're awesome. Because then they're going to be like, what a dick. But if you really do appreciate them, tell them. It's a good thing to do. Be a superhero today, as I like to say. I appreciate all you. Thanks for hanging out with me and chilling. I'm glad that you all kind of stuck around. Hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit smoother than today. There's some things I'm gonna do to make it better. Fingers crossed. I'll be back tomorrow. Bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, eyes open, no fear. That's how I do. In the meantime, everybody have a good night. Walk away for a couple hours. It'll be here tomorrow. Right? It's not going anywhere. I'll be back tomorrow. In the meantime, check out 24/7. That's there. I'll be pumping some audio there if I'm around. It's mostly just me talking to myself. Anyway, we're gonna raid R&R Capital. Let's go over there, give him some love, give him a follow. Let him know the smartest investors and traders on the planet are stopping by to say hi. Good night, everybody. Remember to be somebody. Be yourself. Shouldn't. All right. We made someone's day. Let's see here. Friendly guy, love trading and develop my own algos and indicators for trading markets. That's awesome. Zulu trade account. check him out here. He's got a YouTube channel. I love that. He's got 3 subscribers and 9 videos. He's got live streams. Very nice. All right, I need to end my stream. Bye. I keep forgetting.